Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Quiz to tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail password in case you have forgot, in case you have lost your Gmail password. Now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number, then how do you reset off? This ID has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device. So just we would like to recover this account because he was unable to reset his password. He doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number also because of losing his device. So now we don't have a password also here. Just we will recover it. Try another way. Just we will approach alternative way to recover it. Now we don't have a phone number. Now saying so that similar that I did not provide enough information. If we do the multiple times here, so then what will happens? Google will contact you. That option will be open there. Via different email you will have to enter that email and the phone. We will have to provide all the sufficient information, identity, proof on the basis of evidence that you have submitted. Google will justify that it is really your account or not. If it is, then you will have the strong opportunity to generate password, but after 48 hours. If not, then you will not get an opportunity to generate. So in these conditions, we cannot wait such a long time because it's a data privacy concern. So just we will cut it from here and we will approach via another alternative method. Now just we will go for here, install this. So now it has started to install this Opera with AI with especially or VPN browser, the virtual private networks. So now this browser is very essential to a reset without having the recovery email and the recovery password, recovery phone number also. Just we will come on here to customize the precise location. Let's tap on it, app info. Now we'll come in especially notifications, make it off, and then we will go for here. We will come in a permission and we'll come in a locations, make the precise location off, click here, don't allow anyway, don't allow anyway. Now these things we have done it. Now second things we will come on a especially I'm the Chrome browser, also here navigate the location. So come in a app info. Now we will come in a especially notifications, make it off, then we will back, we will come in a permission, make it off, then we will come in a locations. Now make the precise location off, then we will have to back. Let's tap on a back. Let's one more time. Now we will come in a especially browser apps. Just we will go for select the Opera and we will cut it from here and upon. Once again we will have to come in to open this. Now here we will have to accept the term and condition of this browser. Almost done. It's scarcely 5 minutes more we will take guys here. Now let's see, but this is only for institution purpose guys, don't misuse it. In a case your phone, emails has been hacked, hijacked, in that condition also this will be very useful to recover your, because after hijacking so you don't have the recovery email, the recovery phone number. If you will have the email, but however you don't have, you will have not especially phone number, recovery password, recovery email. So now here we will write this particular Gmail of this viewer. Yes, we will come on here to a next and let's see. Now here is also asking password. Fine, we will go for try another way. Now it's saying that choose where enter the password. Fine, here we will go for try another way. What's the saying to the message here? Try another way. Now here's see here we don't have a phone number. Now here is more tips to recover this account. So this account can be surely recovered, but 3 options: answer as many as questions answer as many questions as you can. Use the device where you have the sign in the before. And third is that your account is managed with the family link. Should we have sent an email to the parents to change your password? We don't have. So fourth ones we will pick this ones. Don't click on try again. We will pick this option, but by a different way. How it is, I will show you. If we try again here, so then the Google Bell tracks easily that I'm the trying to recover this account by a different browser. So just we will cut it from here. And upon, of course, we will tap on a setting, guys. Now quickly we will come in a setting to a scarcely 1 minute we will text. We will have options in take any smartphones. We will have option that Google service. Now here, just we will come in a help options, and upon here, after coming in the help options, we will have an option here. Just consign your Gmail accounts. See, consign your Gmail account here. This option will be open now. Files. Now after coming here, fourth one option, see, you think someone else is using these accounts. Secure this account. We would like to secure. Review your account activities. Find out if your account has been hacked. Pick these ones. Now we have picked these ones. Now we can see here we have a two options, that is trying to recover username and trying to these tabs to recover these accounts. Now here we can see we have a create and replacement account. Second is avoid getting locked out of your Gmails. And now anyone's option C, account google.coms here. So now here is one arrow, just to picture this Google account recovery, and here simply we will have to type this ID, and upon, of course, here simply just we will have to tap on a next. Now see here how easily we have the restore here. Now don't click on a continue, otherwise this account will be freeze. We will have to tap on a especially change the password. If you go for continue, then you will tap in its verify your option. So now here, just we will write here, new password confirms a new password. We will go in especially. After change it. After changing, we will have to go in here. Manage your Google accounts, and then we will have to go for here. Add the recovery email and recovery phone number so that such kind of incident won't be happen again. And times when you would like to rescue, of course, you can recover these accounts. This is all about on live screen. We cannot create here, otherwise it would be in a public domain, guys. So this is all about in this tutorials. I will have to actually reset this password, and I will have to deliver in this viewer. So this is all about. Thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.